Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check Bybit logged in devices. So for you to be able to do that, for you to be able to check the devices that are connected or that are locked, or devices that is using your account, here's how you can get it done. Tap on the Bybit app on your phone. Once you do that, then you tap on the profile icon, then tap on the gear button, which is the settings icon. At the same time, then you tap on security. Good. Then on this option, you tap on this option, which is trusted devices. Tap on them. Then from here you can see the list of devices that is sharing with your account, and if you want to remove them, just tap on any of these trash button, which is the delete button, right from here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.